Basic machine setup. Let's start by setting up the Stratasys Origin CureLite on an easy-to-access surface. Plug in the power cord, power up the unit, attach the Wi-Fi antenna or Ethernet cable as desired for future updates. Ensure the unit is placed with adequate spacing from walls and other equipment for easy operation. Placing parts on the turntable. Avoid placing parts in the red areas at the center and outside of the turntable for optimal curing. Open the door and place the parts on the turntable outside of the center with proper spacing to avoid shadows. Arrange the parts so they are stable during turntable rotation. Practice safe operation by wearing protective gloves when placing green parts safely in the curing unit. Once all parts have been placed with adequate spacing, firmly close the door. Interface and program selection. Tap the screen to open the interface and navigate to the Programs menu by tapping the current selection. Scroll through the available programs, selecting the desired material. Press Start to begin the program, and verify the program has started. The turntable is rotating, and check the time remaining. Confirm the program has completed. Removing and inspecting parts. Once the program is complete, open the door and carefully remove the parts. Inspect each part for full cure and quality. Part orientation considerations. Consider the orientation of parts with thin walls and features as they are placed on the turntable. Orient parts in the strongest resting position to naturally support thin walls and features. Some parts may benefit from a support structure for such geometries. Refer to the Origin Operations and Application Guide for more examples on minimizing warping. Custom profiles. Custom profiles can be created by accessing the Programs menu, selecting Custom, entering the desired time and temperature needed before selecting Start. Users can also preheat the curing chamber for a selected time before starting a desired program. Machine cleaning. Clean the chamber of any wet or cured resin safely and appropriately. Using isopropyl alcohol applied to a lint-free cloth, gently wipe the inside surfaces to maintain optimal clarity during the curing process. After cleaning, leave the door open to allow the solvent to evaporate off the inside surfaces. Use window cleaner on a lint-free cloth to clean the front of your curing unit.